Here, you want me to do it again? Come over here. Come over here. Come on.
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing to Blinky? You're cute. Did you find Lego? What are you doing with the Blinky? Where are you going to put your Lego? In your truck? Mommy got your blankie? Come here. Come here. Come on. Get up. Ready?
Hey.
Hi. Can Mommy have kisses? He's gonna walk into the dresser. What are you doing? You're silly. Can Mommy have kisses? Where's Mommy's kisses? Is that so? Mommy have kisses? Hey, where's my kisses? No, no kisses. Is that so? You can't go nowhere. You gotta stay in here. No, you don't play with that. Little munchkin. Mommy's gonna take your blankie. I'm gonna keep her blankie all for myself. See? Haha. My blankie. Ow. Come here. Come on. Ready? Alright, go. Oh. Hi. There's the baby. See what my child does? He's like walking around with the blanket on his head.